Dating back more than 5,000 years, yoga and Bharatanatyam are two of the most ancient art forms of the world. There is a lot of similarity between both the styles. While in yoga, you need to hold your posture for a long time to get the maximum benefit, Bharatanatyam is dynamic and focuses on movement. While choreographing this routine, I have tried to be true to both styles. This routine is meant to be therapeutic while offering a total body workout. In order to get the maximum benefit from this routine, it's important that we hold the right posture throughout this dance. So tuck your tummy in, lift your ribcage and square your shoulders. But let's not forget to enjoy ourselves.